Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bissell Air220 filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining optimal air quality in your home, ensuring that your Bissell air purifier continues to operate at peak performance and effectively capture airborne pollutants, allergens, and odors, which is crucial for creating a healthier living environment for you and your family, especially if you suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. Number 5. Bissell Air220 Air Purifier Replacement Filter Pack. Ensure optimal performance of your Bissell air purifier by using genuine replacement parts. Using non-Bissell parts may void your warranty. This pack includes one activated carbon filter and one HEPA filter. It's designed to keep your air purifier running effectively. The activated carbon filter features a honeycomb structure packed with carbon pellets. It effectively captures common household odors, pet smells, and VOCs. The HEPA Plus pre-filter captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This includes common allergens like pollen, pet dander, and dust. For peak performance, replace your filters every 6 months. This ensures your air purifier continues to operate in tip-top shape. When you purchase this product, you're supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation. Your purchase helps their mission to save homeless pets. What we like. This is the genuine OEM filter designed specifically for your Bissell air purifier. If you're concerned about pet odors and want the assurance of a part that won't void your warranty, this is the one. It's ideal for pet owners looking for maximum odor elimination and particle capture. What people say. These replacement filters work exactly as they should for my Bissell Air220. The air quality in my home has stayed consistent, and installation is straightforward. Just pop out the old filters and snap these in. I appreciate that they're genuine OEM parts, so I know they're compatible and effective. Lasts just as long as the OEM options at half the price. Used in our cigar lounge and replaced monthly. Number 4. KEEPOW Replacement Filters for Bissell Vacuums. Keep your Bissell vacuum running smoothly with these high-quality replacement filters. They are designed to be compatible with a wide range of Bissell models, ensuring a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Whether you have a CleanView, PowerGlide, PowerForce Helix, or Pet Hair Eraser model, these filters are made to work seamlessly. Enjoy efficient cleaning across various Bissell vacuum series. This package provides a cost-effective solution with 3 replacement filters. You'll have spares on hand to maintain your vacuum's performance without breaking the bank. Save money and reduce waste with these washable and reusable filters. Simply rinse them clean and ensure they are completely dry before your next use for optimal performance. For the best results, it's recommended to replace your filter every 3 to 6 months. This simple step will help maintain the optimal performance of your vacuum cleaner. These filters are designed to be a great alternative to original parts like number 12141 and number 1601972. Get the same great performance at a better value. What we like. Looking for a cost-effective solution for multiple vacuums? This multi-pack offers great value and the convenience of washable filters. If you have several compatible Bissell vacuum models and prefer reusable components to save money, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The air purifier is very quiet on its lowest setting. It is easy to assemble and set up. The filter is easy to change and the unit is very effective at removing odors. Number 3. Air320 Filter Replacement for Bissell Air320 Air220. This set provides a complete filtration system, including a pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. It's designed to be fully compatible with your existing air purifier. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This means it effectively removes dust, pollen, and pet dander from your air. Our improved activated carbon filter uses a honeycomb structure packed with carbon pellets. It absorbs common household odors from pets, cooking, and VOCs, leaving your space smelling fresh. Experience enhanced air quality with our 3-stage filtration process. The pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter work in unison to reduce airborne particles and odors. Replacing the filter is a breeze, requiring no tools and taking just a moment. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing it every 6 months, depending on usage. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us through our Amazon page. What we like. This filter set offers a comprehensive 3-stage filtration system, including an enhanced activated carbon filter. If you're seeking to tackle a variety of airborne pollutants and odors, including those from pets and cooking, in your living space, this is a great option for a thorough clean. What people say. These filters are compatible and work great. I've never had an issue, they last me a good length of time and my house is full, 4 kids, 2 adults and 3 cats. I could clean every day, so I needed something to help assist with the airflow in the house. Fits perfectly, a good product. The filters themselves seem to be made well with quality material. The filters look the same as actual Bissell filters. Number 2. Bissell Air220 320 Replacement Filter Set. Ensure your Bissell Air220 and 320 purifiers are running at their best with these high-quality replacement filters. They are designed for a perfect fit, just like the originals. The True Post filter effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns. This means cleaner air for you and your family. Our activated carbon pre-filter works to absorb common household odors from pets, cooking, and smoking. Breathe easier with fresher smelling air. The pre-filter also does a great job trapping larger particles like pet hair and dust balls. This helps extend the life of the main filter. Replacing these filters is simple and requires no tools. Plus, the post filter is made with FSC certified paper, making it an environmentally conscious choice. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing your filters every 6 to 8 months. Keep your air purifier working efficiently with regular maintenance. What we like. This replacement pack provides both a True Post filter and an activated carbon pre-filter for your Bissell air purifier. If you're looking for a reliable way to capture fine particles and absorb household odors, with an added eco-friendly touch like FSC certified paper, this set is a solid pick. What people say. Work well and fit perfectly. Definite asset to our living space and really helps with breathing issues. We replaced the filters, everything was easy, so much so that I set up auto delivery for filters as recommended by manufacturer. Number 1. Bissell Air220 Air Purifier Replacement Pet Pro Filter Pack. Introducing the genuine Bissell Air220 Air Purifier Replacement Pet Pro Filter Pack. This essential accessory ensures your air purifier continues to perform at its best. With every purchase, you're contributing to a great cause. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and their mission to save homeless pets. Ensure optimal performance with genuine Bissell replacement filters. They are specifically designed for compatibility with the Bissell Air220 Air Purifier. This pack includes a HEPA Plus pre-filter and a zeolite pet odors filter. It's designed to tackle a wide range of airborne particles and odors. For peak performance, we recommend replacing your filters every 6 months. This simple step keeps your air purifier running efficiently. Experience superior air quality with genuine Bissell HEPA filtration. It captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, and pet dander. What we like. This is a genuine Bissell filter pack specifically designed for pet owners, featuring a unique zeolite filter for pet odors. If you prioritize authentic Bissell quality and want an extra layer of defense against pet-related smells, while also supporting a good cause, this filter is the way to go. What people say. My glasses do not seem to get as much dust on them as before I got the purifier. I have bad allergies and these make a good difference in our bedroom. Very easy to install. I also like that it's a 3-part filter. If you need a filtration system for odor control, this is the product. I foster kittens. Kittens can be quite stinky around the litter box. I immediately ordered the genuine Bissell pet filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.